So if you still have the error after cleaning this translucent part over here, the problem are the lenses behind this translucent part, located exactly where this hook is over here, but on the bottom side. So let me show you in this video quickly how to reach it quickly without disassembling the machine. Yeah, now the problem occurs because a lot of coffee buildup has went in the bottom side of this translucent part, and if you believe it or not, there is exactly in this position where this hook is, there are two lenses that read the barcode of the capsule itself. Yeah, and this buildup of coffee got on the lenses itself, and you got the picture. Yeah, it doesn't see the barcode. Here is a short video from a YouTuber. Shout out to him for showing this. So you can see how it looks like. Yeah, these are the two lenses, and this is with the translucent part cup holder removed. So in order to reach those lenses is a tremendous job. You have to completely strip up the machine. I think you can find something on the internet. I'm not willing to strip the machine, but I am trying to find a solution quick and dirty for you to do it at home. So the solution is to take something like this. This is a general purpose contact cleaner, not VD40. Please be careful. VW40 is a lubricant, not a contact cleaner. You need a contact cleaner which is based on isopropyl alcohol, because under the lens you have an electronic PCB board that is not going to feel okay if you give it some lubricant. So take VD40, put it here between the lens and the plastic cover, and just give it pressure. This will clean the lens, and the pressure from the spray will remove the buildup. If it doesn't work first time, trying second time, 3 times until this will work. So this was the quickest method to finally resolve this problem. Hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below if it was helpful for you and you managed to resolve your problem with your Vertuo machine. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. Bye bye.